Okay, I won't go too long in this review because I think it's especially easy to do. The Redmi AirDots 3 Pro or Redmi Buds 3 Pro are great earphones delivered by Xiaomi after they spent some time going slow in the segment. This product is kind of an expansion to the Redmi AirDots 3, which are already good, but the Pro version is a complete package. If you want to know where I bought them from, the link is in the description below the video, but let's get down to business. The first good impression came with the packaging. It has premium materials and is much prettier than in predecessors. In addition, the charging case has a very stylish matte finish and doesn't pick up fingerprints easily. It supports wireless charges and has USB-C connection. There's also fast charging capability. Plugging them for around 50 minutes will result in more than 2 hours of autonomy. Opening the lid, we notice a design quite different from usual. The reflective finish of the capsules gives a beautiful 3D effect and their shape is also different. They are stretched out vertically with a curve for the rubber tips. The ergonomics in my ears were really good. Those are among the most comfortable earphones I've tested this year. The fit was also pretty nice even while working out, despite the fact that they extend outside the ears a little bit. Both capsules have sensors to pause music when they're taken out of the ears and are touch sensitive to execute certain commands: play, pause, skipping tracks, and turning on the active noise cancelling or ANC. By default, there is no volume control. Even so, I like the fact that the controls require at least 2 taps because it avoids accidental commands. Talking about audio profile, Xiaomi played a safe game. The bass and the sub-bass have good depth and are the main highlight without muffling other frequencies. Anyway, they are clearly above mids and especially high tones, which are sometimes a little retracted. It's more of a closed sound rather than an open one, but not by much. Personally, I prefer earphones with more vibrant treble, but the work done on the AirDots 3 Pro is good anyway and should appeal to a larger audience. The Bluetooth 5.2 connection was stable during my tests with a Galaxy S21, and I didn't notice audio delay when watching videos on YouTube and movies on Netflix. Regarding games, I tested Free Fire, and as a casual player, I believe the result was nice. Also, I should mention that there is IPX4 protection against dust and water spills. They cannot be drowned, but may survive to sweat and light rain. This is a recording test done with the Redmi AirDots 3 Pro directly to a Samsung Galaxy S21 via Bluetooth. So that is how they should sound like on phone calls or video calls. Now I'm doing the same test with the Redmi AirDots S, an older model, just so you can see the difference in direct comparison. Okay, so the active noise cancelling or ANC is average. It can nearly eliminate constant sounds in the environment and reduce lots of sudden noises. It's better than the simplest implementations, although still not top of the line. Finally, the battery life was good enough. With ANC activated, the earphones lasted almost 5 hours. When I turned ANC off, I got something around 6. The case was able to provide 3 additional charges and a little more. These are standard results for this category of earphones. Something I discovered at the end of my tests was that the AirDots 3 Pro can be connected to 2 devices at the same time. In other words, they can be synchronized to a PC and a smartphone without any problem. Interesting. My final impression is that this product isn't spectacular in any regard, but it's very competent at everything. Xiaomi delivered earphones that we can call complete with a great haul of capabilities. The audio profile might not be my favorite, I like more aggressive treble, although this can be still equalized to some level. And even if it isn't, we still have a pretty good sound, no doubt about it. Costing somewhere between $50 and $60, it seems like these are an easy recommendation, even when I consider the multiple options on the market today. You can't go wrong with the AirDots 3 Pro, which should become a benchmark for affordable Bluetooth earphones in the coming months. As I said before, the link to the store where I brought them from is in the description below the video. Don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. See you next time.